family assessment for 0 to 3 children include? Boy, that was a tough one. If I ask you that, what lecture did that come from? Today. Right. I might ask you as a second question to choose from. Might, I said. The traditional domains approach to determining content differs from the functional skills approach. Explain as many differences as you can. Explain differences between the traditional domains approach and the functional skills approach. This one. This one. This next one. I thought long and hard about making a required question. What are the questions that you would ask yourself to determine whether or not you would buy and use an assessment instrument? Now you should have those in rote memorized. What are, this would be a fourth question possibly, what are 3, uno, duo, tres, quinque, quadra, sex, septem, octave, novum, decim? You know what that is? What language is that? What?
Spanish. You went from Spanish to
Uno, duo, tres, quinque, quadra, sex, septem, octave, novum, decim. What is that? Latin. Alia Gallius to be saying tres partes.
Amen.
You don't know, you can't speak Latin? ELL. Okay, what are 3, uno, duo, tres, ways in which an individual's membership in a defined cultural group may be indicated? List them. That one probably will go over where? Tomorrow morning, yeah. 5. How does formative assessment for the purpose of program evaluation differ from summative assessment for program evaluation? How does formative assessment differ from summative? A 6th question I might ask you. What are uno, duo, tres, quinque, quadra, sex, septem, octave, novum, decim, 10? General requirements for any instrument that is to be used to determine content. And I'd be happy if you gave me 3. What are 3 general requirements for any instrument that is to be used to determine the content of instruction? 7, a 7th question might be, what are 4 critical skill domains? What is a critical skill? There'd be 2 parts to that. And then since we did go over several instruments, I might ask you to, as number 8, list at least 3 ways the Brigance differs from the AEPS. Brigance differ from the AEPS. A 9th thing that I might ask you is, what are 3 beginning assumptions regarding the assessment of parent-child interaction? What are 3 beginning assumptions regarding the assessment of parent-child interaction? And then my most favorite of all questions, hint, hint, how I would like, very much like to see this one. But I don't know if you're gonna get asked this. How could you use habituation, dishabituation paradigm, the habituation, dishabituation paradigm, to assess infant visual acuity? And then, how would you use it to assess infant memory? Now, I can see some of you just not even writing that down, because you're thinking, I've already got the ones I'm gonna be focusing on. No, I'm not gonna do
Cutie
this.
and
I just might make you say required answer. I might just do that. I'm gonna pick one of these.
the last one
suckers,
is a cutie versus
and I'm
what?
gonna say, pick any two.
I video,
and
I've recorded it, so I'm
answer
good.
this one.
And